What do we make of what's happening now as you watch the space, as you know it better than most?
Yeah, Scott. So, Bitcoin certainly cutting earlier losses. It did fall under $92,000 earlier, and that coincided with Bitcoin ETFs yesterday seeing net outflows following a 5-day positive streak. And what's really interesting here is Bitcoin has been regularly hitting these new records throughout November. And in that time, long-term holders in the spot market have actually been selling more and more. So about 728,000 Bitcoins in the last 30 days being sold. And of course, the price has grown almost 40% in that time. And that sell pressure has so far been absorbed by strong inflows into Bitcoin ETFs by institutions. And then, of course, big Bitcoin buys by MicroStrategy. So Bitcoin losses a little bit more mild today, but versus the rest of the crypto market. But it is the laggard since the election versus Ether, which you can see in ETH ETFs finally coming to life after their July launch, and then also in recent gains in Coinbase, which doesn't break out the revenue that it gets from the action in ETH, but it is a big play for Coinbase.
There's some suggestion that Bitcoin, if it takes a breather, it's going to benefit Ether, some of the other cryptos that haven't seen as much of a big bump since the election. How much are you following that?
A lot. I mean, I really think that Ether has a lot of room to run. Investors had kind of abandoned it all year, Scott, for so many different reasons. On the institutional side, the use case was a little difficult for them to wrap their heads around, whereas Bitcoin, very straightforward. It's a store of value, and they know exactly what to do with it, how it trades. But Ether, I think, like I said, you're seeing the ETFs come to life. There's a lot of room to run here, and there's still a lot of curiosity about it by institutions. So
all right, we'll watch it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to step on your toes there. Tanaya Macheel, thank you.